Oh my God. Hey there, little one. I'm here to help you. You're gonna be okay.
Oh, sweetie. Oh, this is bad. But I've got you now. You're safe.
Almost there, baby. Stay with me. You're gonna be fine.
Compound fracture, possible internal injuries found in sub-zero conditions for unknown duration. The fracture is severe, but we caught it in time. We need to operate immediately to save the leg. The surgery went perfectly. He's a fighter, Callie. Look at that spirit returning to his eyes.
Go on, Ghost. This is your world now. You've earned your freedom.